Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As you know, we do like the full good figure.
Oh me? Yes we do. Otherwise we're getting a 2 and 8.
Right guys, what do we mean by a full figure? Well, Chris has shown us before, empty hand, the figure of 8, which is wonderful. You've also got the figure of 8 with a cane.
This is my go-to, one of my go-tos for an altercation, especially if there's more than one person, because they tend to get out of my way.
Yeah, and but the trouble is if, say for argument's sake, I am this close, it changes the figure of 8. Yeah, you can't do it.
Never say can't, yet.
Yeah.
I have an idea. He knows this worry.
So let's have a look at how we're going to do this close in. It's only a little drill, a little bit for fun. If you use it, you use it. If you don't, stick it in your toolbox.
You're calling me short again, aren't you?
Yes.
I thought so. As you know, Kev likes to get in my face. See, I wouldn't have to do a figure of 8 here. I can just clunk him anyway, because he can't see a damn thing.
I've got my glasses on, I can see now.
It's lovely, isn't it? But we got this created distance. Now, we got nice clearance here, and we like this position. I like here, because then I've got wall control. This is really covering in desperation.
Yep.
But can I do a figure 8 from here? Well, might get a tap.
Yeah, that's more of a stroke than a figure of 8.
You may get that donk and they might be irritated, but can you throw a punch at me, dear chap? I ask him to do all the difficult jobs.
Words I love to hear you say.
Now if he throws the punch, we've done all of this kind of stuff.
30 degree.
Yeah, it can be the...
It's amazing how it keeps coming back, doesn't it?
What? But...
I hear you say.
Ho ho, I hear you say. If I see him do the punch...
Who says ho ho?
Santa Claus.
Oh right, okay.
If I turn and I figure of 8 that, so I'm going to bring that down.
Hey, that's not fair.
That's not fair, get used to it. But then if I do my figure of 8, here, now this is a free hand. Now if that's not been taken out of the equation...
Owie, I'm now going to hit you with this hand.
Oh well, fair enough, but I was actually going to do something mean to you there, but I can then go on his dead side. Even if soon as I see that twitch, even if I come in, it doesn't...
I didn't twitch that time, not fair. No.
Oh, sorry, were you doing something? But practice this, trust me, practice this slow. So I can either stop, but I'm not going to go ha ha.
Why not? We're doing karate.
No, we're not. But I will keep this going, but I'm going to keep this on my shoulder because I've got lots of... Now, I like to do this and dislocate people's shoulders.
Yeah, but I'm bigger than you.
Oh, do you really want to drop my weight? But even if I don't want to do that, I can keep this motion going. I can start flicking. I'm not doing anything except figure of 8, but it's tight.
I'm only leaving my arm out as a demonstration, so stop typing.
Please. So if I turn, I'm driving, and I'm driving with my hip. Even Kevin can do this.
Are you sure?
Well, we'll find out in a second. Here, and then because it's a figure of 8, I can keep. Now, if I move my feet,
You're just showing off now, aren't you?
me, I don't do that kind of thing. But this is the idea. This is great. He's not going to come near me.
It's again distance work, so
Yeah.
we do like distance. I do anyway.
I do. Even if it's here and I haven't got my cane ready, I can still do this technique.
And you've come up.
I wouldn't trust that technique in a fight. Please don't type anything.
Yeah.
Because if I'm doing that, that's going to go everywhere. So I'm thinking, I'm in a guard, I'm pushing him away, I can... Wow! What an immense strike that was!
For those that don't know, we actually got a microphone above our head and he's just hit it, so we're really sorry for your eardrums there.
Yeah. Right.
What did I say about minding the scenery?
I know. You can come straight in. But, hang on, wait for it.
But there's more!
There's more. If you can't do that because there's things above you,
Yeah.
you've got this, and I can drop, and then he's moved down. I've now got these strikes. I can control this because it's where I know it's in contact with my body. I know where it is. So even if I can't, if you're not looking, I know where everything is, because I might be worried about what's going over there as well.
Yeah.
So it's very simple. Doing these motions, you've got a spare hand, you might need this for support. So the obvious thing is, what if I do need that cane for support and he throws that punch? I can do the same motion we do with the cane, and I can do it whichever way round. I'm just doing nothing different. I'm just using empty hand, but doing the cane technique.
Well, what I hear you say, if you're a strapping young gentleman with 2 canes.
With 2 canes, well, you use one for balance,
Whoa.
produce a tripod, but wait, there's more. So we're going to pressure test it a little bit.
As if by magic. Okay, as you all know if you've watched this channel, I like the tripod. 1 cane in between 2 legs, giving a nice little triangle, nice and stable. If I go either way, I can still move the cane. Going to use the lighter cane today, bring it up.
So we are in a situation where we know there's a threat, we've got to get ready. So this isn't an ambush attack, which we will deal with.
Now if Chris is going to throw a right-handed punch, just like that.
So
If I've got 1 cane on the floor, I hold on to it, I haven't got that free hand to come up. But I can change my body position by stepping a little bit back, meeting the arm. Now from here, I'm just going to bow and bring my cane backwards. Okay? So all I've done is the punch is coming in, meeting, coming through. Drag through down, I'm ready for the next attack. Now if he's not moving, I'm then going to come straight back up again, ready for the next part. If the other hand's come in and I'm here, I'm going to come down to there. It's wood. It's wood.
here you go, some lignum. So you're picking your targets basically. If I'm just standing here and I've done the push, he's got his balance.
Yep. I'm going to come straight line.
Straight line.
Be hit, drag, and through. So it's just going to be that. If only my half cane wasn't in my car.
I know. But if he decides to do figure of 8, so it comes down, that's actually quite there's no
very
power there,
disorientating.
but it does push you away. So if I decide to put my hand on,
If I'm putting the hand on,
I'm just asking for it,
yes, as Chris said, with the cane, I like to come with the elbow.
and then you can go into
Because
your-
then I've now got a kidney shot with the horn of my cane, which is really, 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 really painful.
So
having
what-
had one.
So what we're saying is play out different scenarios from different attacks. If I'd come in, hang on, I can't grab you with these.
You can't grab me those.
No. So if I'd done the grab, same technique,
We've seen this before, and we all love circles.
we do.
All I'm doing is coming over the top. As I'm coming to here, my elbow's going onto his arm, the horn's going into the head, it's going to slide down, hit the shoulder, drag down from there. Now if he puts resistance in,
I'm trying.
I'm just going to come back. And that was a jaw strike.
So what you're looking at is these.
And I just about hit the mask.
You did.
Just about.
You're looking for these short, close in, multiple techniques. It doesn't need a lot of power, but I'm gonna get him to just bang bang on the chest. So on the shoulder, he's gonna do figure of 8 on the chest, and I'm gonna resist. Not a lot of power. Yeah, come on, give it your worst.
I'm putting punches here because I know what that feels like. But we've shown you before about this position, and it's called rhino. Yeah? So you've got a cane, don't become weapons fixated. If the need gets you, rhino first, then strike, drag, strike, and the push away to end. So it's linking a few of the sort of techniques we've shown you before and bringing in the figure of 8.
It is. But for that close in stuff, if your cane's not in that position, it's not going to work.
No.
But you may, if you're standing from here, clear to get into that position.
Yep.
We've done videos on this.
You can reverse Phoenix and get him out of the way. Now once I'm into this position, I'm not going to do the figure 8 over the shoulder, but I'm going to come through here into an elbow, backhand into a strike. I can flick up under armpits, which is absolutely lovely, but again, you can hit with the crook first, drag for the shaft, tip, javelin away. Hit everything but the pad there.
No, so just do that, coming through the ribs. Just want to see what it goes like. And that was one. I didn't bite my tongue then. By the way, I'm ready for that.
I'm so happy.
So happy. So it's just a little idea I had. It may work for you, it may not. I quite like it. It probably has a few bits that you don't like.
Well, again, pick up your cane. If you've got someone, take it easy and practice holding your cane in different positions. Does that work for me? No, that's right on my thumb. That's better for me. Downwards great. Coming upwards, I tend to get a pain in my thumb here. Coming upwards, that's really nice.
Stop that.
Like that.
So when we did that video on aggressive guarding and different grips, so if that's your grip, this figure of 8 will work nice.
Yeah.
Took his cane out.
Yeah.
If this is your preferred one, this will work nice.
Yeah.
My walking position.
Use the principle, and the principle is it's an 8 on its side, and that's what you're looking at.
That could be an infinity shot.
Yeah. Or a Mobius loop.
Could be.
So that's what you're looking at, is coming high to low, or you can go low to high. Doesn't matter. This would work great, and I'm going to try and preempt him with his idea.
No.
In the sticky cane position with 2 hands.
Now think about it. If you go low, you'll go high.
And so Chris puts one hand on my shoulder just to support me.
You're a good man, Kev. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise.
Again, sticky cane. You're coming down and up. Down and up. It will work.
Do the other side so they can see it better.
So you're going to come down, striking twice on the way up, change the angle.
And don't forget, if their arm is there, there's so many clearances with this move. It's yeah, all right, okay. Low to high.
Low to high. Well, that was high to low. So play with it. Have some fun. These are not be and all techniques. These are not knockout techniques. These are, I found myself in this position. I know something I can do. Let me use it.
I use figure of 8 all the time, so I'm practicing closing the difference, different grips, 2 hand grips, empty hand stuff. So find your technique that works for you and use it in different scenarios. Scenario, that's a big word.
Thanks for watching this far, guys. We really appreciate it. Don't forget, drop us a comment down below. It helps the algorithm and keeps us growing.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, ring the bell, free the fear, cage that beast.
Right guys, if you like that video, we've got plenty more for you. Directly below me is more figure 8 videos.
Directly below me is the eternal pit of hell and a video.
You forgot again, didn't you?
I think Cooper's one when we agreed on it. We didn't. That's why.